Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're doing Go Maths Student Edition for Grade 4, the Australian Curriculum Edition. And we're looking at Unit 4.3, which is dealing with establishing the relative position of a number of numbers to 10,000. So it's a fairly large number, this one. So we're going to start by zooming this right in so you can see the number line, because the first question is mark the position of each of these numbers on the number line. So we've got 0 to 10,000, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we divide 10,000 by 10, we know that each of these increments are 1,000. So we can write 1,000 easily on the number line by putting that one there. So the rest of it's going to be fairly close up. Sorry, it's a little bit messy. So the next one is, so we've got the answer for A, which is 1,000. The answer for B is 100, so you'd need to break this section into 10. So it's probably around there somewhere. So we're just going to write a little b here. B. And then C is tens. So again, that'll be even smaller. So C. And then 1 would be very small, and that would be D. Okay, so next question is, imagine you start at 0. Write the number of each of these steps you would take to reach 10,000. So if you were taking 1,000, if you were taking steps of 1,000, you would be taking 10 of them. If you were taking steps of 100, you take off 2 zeros, so divide the 10,000 by 100, which would leave you with 100. If you were taking steps of 10, you take one of those off and you'd be left with 1,000. And if you were taking steps of 1, there would be 10,000 of them. So then it asks about write a pattern that you notice in this, in question 2. So you can look at the number of zeros that are there. There's 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, and going the other way, it's going up. So you could write something along the lines of each one is 10 times the one before, or something, some other pattern that you notice is fine. Okay, so the next one, it's saying loop the numbers that are less than 100 away from 10,000. So if we take 100 off 10,000, that would be 9,900. So we need to look for numbers that are less than 100 away. So the numbers have got to be greater than 9,900. So numbers that are greater than 9,900, you've got, let's see, that one's not, that one's not. This one's greater than 9,901, but we actually want, yes, so that is less than, let's read through this again. Loop the numbers that are less than 100 away from 10,000. So you want them to be numbers that are small. You only have about, so 99 more to go to get to 10,000, which would make this one of them. So we circle that one, and that one's only 44 away, so we'll circle that one. That one we won't, that one we won't, and those two we won't. You've got to be really careful to make sure you read them carefully. I nearly got caught on that one. So loop the numbers that are less than 1,000 away from 10,000. So if we take 1,000 off this, it's 9,000. So we want numbers that are greater than 9,000. So 8,999 is not greater than 9,000. 9,989 is. 9,099 is. 9,010 is not. 8,111 is not. Neither is 8,009. And then the next one is loop the numbers that are more than halfway to 10,000. So if we divide 10,000 by 2, which would be the halfway mark, we want numbers that are more than halfway. So we want numbers that are greater than 5,000. So 9,150, yes. 5,016, yes. 7,995, yes. So I hope that helps without giving you all the answers. Please don't just copy it. Anyway, have a great day. Any comments, questions or suggestions, leave them below. Bless you.